The cat arrived at the station on a cold day and must have been feeling it, so the firefighters gave her a home. She wasn't with them long before she started to earn her keep though, and when she did, the cat's new humans realized just what a killer she was. The previously mentioned firefighters are the Emergency Medical Services, or EMS, team for the fire department in Brooklyn, New York. The department's EMS Station 57 is always at the service of the public, but it went above and beyond the call of duty. That's because the station opened its doors to someone in need on a cold winter's day. That someone was in fact a stray cat who wandered in off the streets. She decided she liked the place too. Then again, it was certainly a lot warmer than Brooklyn's back alleys. The downside about the fire station, of course, was that it was infested with humans. You see, while the department's firefighters welcomed the new feline overlord, initially she showed no interest in her furless minions. It was enough that they provided her with food. Despite the cat's indifference, though, the humans kept approaching her, trying to touch her fur. They also tried sliding things along the floor towards the regal creature and wiggling items in front of her. Paramedic Lieutenant Nancy Gwillem explained herself to the dodo. "When she first came here, we enticed her with the things that cats normally like," Lieutenant Gwillem said. "We tried string and those little bouncy balls, and she wasn't interested whatsoever. The cat came from Brooklyn's mean streets, so she wasn't easily impressed." But as with so many living things, the way to a cat's heart was through her stomach. Her human subjects appeased her with treats, and as a result, the new queen of the fire station eventually gave her humans the honor of touching her. In fact, the cat grew to love all the attention the humans were giving her. And with that in mind, it seems she chose to give them a treat and went out to get them some food. When the humans had gone home for the night, the queen went out hunting. The new ruler of Station 57 left the dead rodents out for her humans to find the next morning. And ultimately, it was the cat's hunting skills that earned her a new name. They called her Killer. That said, it wasn't everyone's first choice. As reported by I Heart Cats, a Station 57 representative explained the reasoning behind the moniker. "We were having a contest to get her a nicer name, but then she started bringing home rats, so they kept the name. They call her Killer because she took care of our mouse problem when she moved in," the representative concluded. However, Her Royal Majesty has become a lot softer around her adoring human fanbase. She even seems to be enjoying their affection. One thing that didn't change, however, was her rule over Station 57. "She pretty much got the run of the station," Lieutenant Gwillem told the dodo. "She has a little chair in the office that's just for her to sleep in. And once she's in it," the representative continued, "everyone will stand rather than kick her out. It's not just the chairs that Killer dominates either. She's also claimed more than her fair share of bunks. We all have one, and Killer's got pretty much the entire bottom." Don't think Killer rules Station 57 with an iron paw, though. She's very generous to the humans. These days, she even lets them shower her with attention. And one of Killer's favorite forms of subjugation is having the humans brush her. During brush time, Killer has an unusual reaction too. She kicks her leg out like a dog does. "It's kind of a funny thing we like to watch her do," Lieutenant Gwillem said. "She just does some quirky things that surprise everyone once in a while. Like chewing shoes, for example. Station 57 says that if you're honored enough to pet Killer, she likes to chew your shoes. The weirdest thing she does is sleep sitting up," Station 57 continued, "and she's the first adult cat I've ever seen do that." Even a killer queen can't spend all day basking in adoration and being brushed, however. No, she needs to keep her predator instincts honed for the nightly hunt. And that's where those toys Killer used to snub her nose at come in. Killer eventually decided to accept the offerings and use them to show her humans what an excellent hunter she is. "She loves toys now. She's gotten much better with that," Lieutenant Gwillem told the dodo. "Killer also likes to play with pencils." Regardless of her quirks, though, or perhaps because of them, Killer has become a popular cat, and not just at the station. Yes, she's amassed a large international following thanks to Station 57's social media. Killer started out on the streets, but now she couldn't ask for a better home. She has all the rodents she can kill and all the love she could ever need. Killer always was a queen, and now she has the royal subjects to prove it. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to make sure you never miss a video from our channel.